Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. Our last session, I had discussed about acid, bases, and salt. One more new definition of the acid, easy definition. You know that hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid, and sodium hydroxide. This one acid, this one base are alkali. When acid react with base, it forms salt and water. It forms salt plus water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. What is acid? Definition of acid. An acid is a compound when it reacts with base, it forms salt and water. What is base? A base is a compound when it reacts with acid, it forms salt and water. Now, what is the salt? Salt is formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. What is the salt? Salt is a compound which formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. All three definition clear. From the single reaction, one reaction you write what is an acid. An acid is a compound when react with the base form salt and water. What is base or alkali? An alkali is a compound when react with the acid it forms salt and water. What is the salt? Salt is formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. Perhaps you remember that I have given homework. Define acid, bases, alkali and salt. Afterward, classification of acid. I have explained already about two classification, 2 and 3 also. First classification of acid on the basis of first one sources. Already I have explained on the basis of sources, two type of acid, organic acid and inorganic acid. About that I have already explained. About composition. On the basis of composition, two type of acid, hydroacid and oxyacid. In hydroacid means HCl, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. This is hydroacid. Oxyacid, acid contain, suppose nitric acid, contain oxygen along with hydrogen and other elements. Sulfuric acid. These acids are called oxyacid. Next one, on the basis of strength. On the basis of strength, two type of acid, strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid, the acid which contain or having maximum concentration of hydronium ion, that acid is known as strong acid. Which having less or minimum concentration of hydronium ion, that acid is known as weak acid. Next one, on the basis of concentration, an acid which contain relate to high percentage of hydronium ion or acid, that acid is called concentrate acid, and which have low concentration, relate to low concentration of the hydronium ion, that acid known as dilute acid. Means on the basis of concentration, two type acid. First one concentrate, second one dilute. That you write short form, dilute like that way, concentrate like that way. I hope that classification of acid clear on the basis of sources, composition, strength and concentration. Next point is that what do you mean by basicity of acids? See that. Next point, basicity of acid. Basicity of acids, you say that. First one, number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in an acid is known as basicity of acid. Example, In case of HCl, when it's dissolved in water, it's give H plus and Cl minus. See that number of hydronium ion is 1. So basicity of hydrochloric acid is 1. This is called monobasic acid. This is called first one monobasic acid. What is monobasic acid? What is basicity of acids? Number of hydrogen ion present in an acid is known as basicity. Replaceable hydrogen ion. Number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in an acid is known as basicity of an acid. See that in case of acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid, it's having one replaceable hydrogen ion. See that one. So basicity of acetic acid is also 1. Second one is known as dibasic acid. Dibasic acid. What is monobasic acid? An acid having basicity is 1 known as monobasic acid. Dibasic acid having basicity 2 known as dibasic acid. It means that number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in an acid should be 2, so it is called dibasic acid. Example, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, meaning see that replaceable hydrogen ion 2 hydrogen atom, SO4 minus 2. So it is dibasic acid. Third one, tribasic acid. Tribasic acid. Third one, tribasic acid. Acids having replaceable hydrogen ion 3 means if the acid having basicity 3, that is called tribasic acid, like phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid. This acid having number of replaceable hydrogen ion 3, so that is called tribasic acid. My dear student, I have explained what we mean by basicity of an acid. Number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in an acid is known as basicity of acid. Classification of on the basis of that, these are 3 types. Monobasic acid having basicity 1, second one dibasic acid having basicity 2, third one tribasic acid having basicity 3. Similarly, I have already given definition of the bases and salt. Now, little bit, how would you prepare acid? First question, how would you prepare acid? Question, how would you prepare acid? Answer will be that acid can be prepared by direct combination of the non-metal, like hydrogen and chlorine react together and expand hydrogen chloride. Remember that this reaction possible in 3 cases. First case, this reaction explosive in direct sunlight. In direct sunlight, this reaction is explosive. Next one, this reaction is possible, mostly we are preparing hydrogen chloride gas in diffuse sunlight. Diffuse sunlight. Remember that third case. Question is that this reaction is also possible in dark. Yes or no? If yes, then why? means that reaction is also possible in dark when, see that H2 plus Cl2 chlorine in presence, it is possible in dark in presence of activated charcoal. Then it forms hydrogen chloride gas. From hydrogen chloride gas we can prepare hydrochloric acid. This reaction also possible in dark when activated charcoal used as a catalyst. In earth class you have studied what is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is prepared by from the wood charcoal in absence of air at the temperature at a high temperature. So that activated charcoal used as a catalyst. My dear student, on page number 41, page number 41, about example given monobasic acid, dibasic acid and tribasic acid, and page number 43, that is given reaction how would you prepare acid. Only direct combination I have explained, remaining tomorrow I will explain next session. And you have to prepare the reaction whatever given on the page number 43, because all the reactions are familiar with you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.